Selling your car in Texas? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Texas Certificate of Title, issued by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles. Texas is different from most states. You sign in two places, the front and the back. Use blue or black ink only. No other colors, no pencil or marker. And don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1. On the front of the title, sign the line marked "Signature of owner or agent" must be in ink. If two owners are listed, both must sign. Step 2. Flip the title over. On the back, in the assignment of title, sign again where it reads "Signature of seller/agent." Texas needs your signature on both the front and the back. Don't skip either one. Step 3. Enter your current mileage in the odometer reading boxes. Whole miles only, no tenths. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old. So if you're not sure whether yours qualifies, just enter the reading. Step 4. Fill in the buyer's name and address on the purchaser line and write in the date of sale. Step 5. Print your name on the printed name line next to your signature. It should match the name you signed. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it, either on the title itself or with a separate lien release letter. The one thing Texas sellers can't skip: file a vehicle transfer notification, Form VTR-346, with the Texas DMV within 30 days of the sale. Until you do, the vehicle is still tied to your name, which means you could be on the hook for the buyer's parking tickets, tolls, or worse. You can file it online in a few minutes. And don't forget your plates. In Texas, the seller removes the license plates at the sale, move them to another vehicle you own, or dispose of them so they can't be misused. The buyer gets their own plates.